Is that a ball? Sawyer, what is it? What do you think? That's a ball? It's a pretty heavy ball. Is that something tasty? Don't eat it! Sawyer! Don't eat it! Don't eat it! Don't eat it! Hey! Sawyer! Stop! Ah! Don't eat it! It's not! You gotta take it out of the thing! Hey! You're so funny! Sawyer, that coconut is not good for you. Hey. Pick it up. Oh. Is that annoying? That leaves more fascinating now. Save that for there. And whoa! Coconut again. Whoop! There it goes. I'll get it.